Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Um, good morning, everyone. We are Aulia, Hali, Andaru, and Rafli, and today we are going to discuss about our scientific article called Artificial Intelligence and its Impact on Society Welfare. Okay, so here's the table of the content. We have 5 sections here. Moving on. Okay, first thing first, abstract. The development of artificial intelligence in this study is still far from achieving a level of intelligence comparable to that of humans, as computer machines become more sophisticated, however, and thus more influential in human affairs. It is becoming increasingly important to understand both the capabilities and limitations of machine intelligence and their potential impact on society. To this end, the field of artificial intelligence is systematically examined. The purpose of the study was to understand how big the role of artificial in replacing human work so that it has an impact on social welfare by collecting several opinions. The keywords here are artificial intelligence, work, social welfare, and impact.
The next chapter is introduction. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is a computer science to solving cognitive problems commonly associated with human intelligence, such as learning, problem solving, and pattern recognition. The computer science field of artificial intelligence discipline are machine learning, or ML, and deep learning, or DL. The implementation of AI use machine or physical computer and human or programmer implies that AI can learn and train. AI can be used for production, automation, and even generating new AI at the same time. The development of AI is so agile and massive that AI is very influential in our life and is very close to our daily life without realizing it. And an example of its implementation is the development of robotics that can solve household problems that are usually done manually to become automatic only with the machine. This development must be considered. Can AI capabilities replace human in the short and long term? AI is considered to have triggered the Industrial Revolution 4.0 because of its futuristic nature, effective interaction pattern, social welfare, and community economic activities. The magnitude of the influence of AI is very interesting to discuss. So the purpose of the scientific article is to analyze the form of contribution and capabilities that AI can make in influencing human life, especially in the aspect of social welfare. And the next section will be presented by my partner.
Okay, next we have method. The method that is used to collect data and analyze the topic discussed in this scientific article is the literature study research method. Using this method, we will first search for literature in accordance with the topic. Second, study and learn the literature. Third, evaluate the literature by some criteria. Fourth, check and analyze the contents of the literature systematically. Fifth, synthesize the contents of the literature.
Okay, now we're entering the result and discussion section. Next. So the result we obtained from this research is that AI made a great impact on society's welfare. Belgin, Pisarides, and Hazan, 2019, stated that according to a research conducted by McKinsey & Company, the combined population of the US and Europe has been in range of 1% growth a year because of the technology. Cam, Chewy, and Hall, 2019, stated that according to another survey that is also conducted by McKinsey & Company in 2019, AI delivers meaningful value to companies. Because of AI adaptation in their companies, 63% of respondents stated that their revenue increases, combining all use cases. Most of the respondents report that AI affects revenue growth in marketing and sales, product and service development, and supply chain management. AI helps revenue increase by using it in pricing, predicting the probability of someone to purchase something, and customer service analytics. In product and service development, AI also helps revenue increase by implementing AI to the products and creating AI-based products and enhancements. And in supply chain management, Respondents frequently cite deals and request determining and spending analytics as use cases that generate income. On the other hand, according to Bernard Marr, there are some points of AI's negative impacts. First point is AI bias. Since AI algorithms are built by humans, they can have built-in bias by those who either intentionally or inadvertently. Second, loss of certain jobs. AI will replace some certain jobs positions and replace them with machines. Last, global regulations. AI technology needs some new laws and regulations which are determined by various governments to allow safe and effective global interactions.
Okay, the last section is conclusion. In the daily life, artificial intelligence can learn faster with lots of data every day to produce the best models that can later help solve problems. The development of AI is so agile and massive that it is very influential in our lives. AI made a positive impact on society welfare. One of its advantages is the population of the US and Europe has been made in range 1% growth a year because of the technology. It is also delivers meaningful value to company. AI affect revenue growth in marketing and sales, product and service development, and supply chain management. However, with all its advantage, it is also has a negative impact on society welfare. In some cases, AI may induce rising wage and riches imbalance. Some other point of AI negative impact are: first, AI is biased. Second, AI will replace some certain job position and replace them with machine. Third, AI technology needs some new laws and regulation to allow safe and effective global interaction.
Okay, so that is our presentation. We are deeply apologize for our mistake. Thank you for listening. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good day.